So, great man, you are welcome. Welcome again. So we are moving on our creation of logos. So this is actually the third logo we are going to be creating right here. Wordmark logo. This is the logo we are going to be making right now. So this is the logo we are going to be making right now. We are going into the practical right now. So wordmark logos, this type of logo uses the name of the brand itself. So this type of logo, this logo that you use the name of the brand. You use your name, I mean exactly your name. So and that is the logo and that is your brand. So we are moving straight to our, and that's what we are going. This is what we are going to be doing right here. We are going to be creating this Google. So we are going to be creating Google, and this is going to be smooth and very fast. Okay, we are moving straight to our app, pixelLab, very quickly without wasting time. Now this is it. Now come to this place, just delete this one and new text. So edit it, and you're gonna want to type Google. So just type it like this. Just type it in. Don't forget, this is what we are creating. This is what we are creating right here. And you can just do it like this. Now just click on OK. Click on OK and bring it to the front, and just enlarge it. Yes, you're going to enlarge it and centralize it. If you have been following this channel, you know you could have, and I'm so sure you could have get used to this very clearly by now. So now just centralize it. So once again, you're welcome to Digital Skills channel. This is the channel that I train you different kind of digital skills, and I mean different types, from affiliate marketing to Amazon KDP, content creation, graphic design, and we have been on this logo creation for some times. So just check this channel around. You'll find all the videos that I've made concerning the logo creation. So let's move now. This is what we are going to be doing right now. So this is very simple and going to be very easy. And okay, you're going to centralize it. After that, you're going to give it padding. Yes, you have to give this one padding. You have to give this padding. Yes, just give it padding, and give it padding this place too. Yes, just so it is making sense. Can you see it is making sense now? Let's change the color. Now you're going to change the color. Now let's change the color. We're going to be changing the color, and this is what we are going to be doing. No, the color is not the same. Look at it now. The color is not the same. So we are going to be doing it one after the other. The first one is I think this is blue. This is color blue, and we are going to be doing this. This is what we are going to be doing. Change it to G. We are going to bring it to color. Then you are going to find color blue. You are going to find color blue. So this is it. Let me change the color. Let me check it. I think this is it. You can actually bring it down like this to check exactly the type you need. You can change it like this. This is too thick. Let me reduce it. Let me reduce it around this place. This too okay. I think this is fine. I think this is okay now. Okay, it's too thick. This is okay. Coming over to the two O. One is red and one is yellow. Okay, coming like this, and I'm changing it to yellow. Changing this to yellow. Okay, I'm changing this to red. I'm changing the first O to red. Changing it to red. This is red. Yes, well, it's going to be light red. It's going to be light red. Very light red. Yes, I think this is good. So I'm changing this to yellow. Change this to yellow. Change this to yellow. And change the next O to yellow. This is yellow. Change it to yellow. Changing this to yellow, and okay, I think that is fine. I think this is a thick yellow. Okay, this is fine. And I'm changing the G. Changing the G. Changing it to. I'm changing it to the same type of this one. This is not it. I'm changing this G again. I'm changing this L. Changing this L. Change this L to. Let me check. What is this color? Something like this. Yes, something like this. It was going to be. It's going to be kind of thick. Kind of thick. Yes, so this is fine. And then the last E, I'm changing it to red. Yes, I'm changing this to red. And okay. So this is okay. This is fine. So I'm okay. Let me centralize it again. Okay, it has been centralized. So I'm changing it to the fonts one after the other. Changing the font one after the other. Changing the fonts one after the other. Changing the fonts. Changing the fonts one after the other. Changing the fonts. I'm changing the fonts. Okay. That's why you have to be very careful when you are choosing your font, because if you are actually giving an exact font to use, you need to know how to find your fonts. You need to know how to find your fonts, and that is very important. That is very important. We need to know how to find our fonts. We need Let me centralize it. Let me go back to fonts. Let me change the hue. So I'm changing the fonts of the two of the 2O now, and I'm changing it to yes, changing it to I'm changing that to this. Yes, I'm changing it to this, and I'm changing the first G, changing it back to, I'm coming back to something so resemble, at least if I couldn't get that the exact fonts that Google used. So I'm going to be changing to something very, very similar, at least something very similar, and something that's going to make sense. Something that will make sense. Something that will make sense. So this is okay. Let me centralize. Okay, I think this is cool. I'm going to be changing the font again. Okay. So we're going to be using this. I think this is manageable for the sake of this training. And okay, we are going to be size. Okay. I'm going to let's finish up with the fonts. This one is going to be something like this. I think this is exactly what it is. The way it is. Okay. This is what it is. Now, go back to the fonts. It will remain the L and E. I need to be very careful when we are choosing that. I think the L and E is already okay. And this is okay. Just the remaining thing now, just to give it padding. You need to give it padding once again. Just give it padding like this. Just put it 3 and 3. I need to give it padding. you can actually bring out what you want. Now you need to increase this a little bit. You need to increase this a little bit. You need to increase this a little bit. Just increase it in size a little bit. Just give it like 80. This is fine. And just centralize it. This is fine. And okay, you can actually change the background. Just change the background. Just change the background after all everything. Just change the background and just change the background to white color and put it in white. Put it in white. I think this is cool, and you can change the size. You can actually change the size to remember I told you when you are doing logo, you actually choose something like a Chanel banner for logo, and after that you are going to bring it back. You are going to click on it and you are going to centralize it. Just centralize it again. And I think this is fine. You can just increase it a little bit more. Just give it like 85, and that is fine. You can actually play around it. So you can play around it. So this is very, very easy. You can actually play around it. So you can actually, this is how to create wordmark logo. Very simple. So you can actually, with this tutorial, you should be able to create your wordmark logo with ease. So this is Google, and this is very simple. Thank you.